New arrivals this week. How about the 1985 Lada Autovaz 2102 Combi? Corita red, or whatever that is, over black, 7,573 actual miles.
Unbelievable.
Rarely seen here in the old US of A. 1,198 cc, single overhead cam, inline four-speed manual transmission. You ever seen one of these before?
Yes, not the wagon.
Right, the wagon.
Sedan.
Yeah, so this one is a wagon, and it's really an interesting-looking car. Interesting, I don't know, equates to people really know what it is. It's part of the problem.
You'll be the only one at the car show, unless you're at a Lada car show. Or
if you're at a Lada car show.
Russian car show.
Yeah. So, but it's an interesting car, and probably there can't be more than a handful of them.
That's right.
Yeah. Other new arrival, the 1951 Chevrolet Sedan Delivery, black over scarlet red. This is a rarely seen model as well, too. Very nicely restored. And it's got the inline Blue Flame 6. And you know what? It's surprising. Those are not bad to drive. You think, oh, that doesn't seem like enough power. You got to have a V8. You got to have, they didn't have V8s in 51, or they weren't on the market anyway.
Right.
And this thing is really cool. 3-speed manual transmission. It's be a great for your business vehicle. It's a perfect or a surfboard in the back and heading out, or any kind of camping equipment you could take in it. So a
beautiful thing. And I think it started as a flower truck back.
I think it was. It was. Another new arrival is the 1966 Plymouth Barracuda Fastback. This one's really a very original example. It's got the broadcast sheet and the window sticker. Correct 273 cubic inch 2-barrel V8. And a correct A904 automatic transmission. This thing is really cool, and it's really an honest car that not a lot of monkeying around with over the years.
Beautiful. Had one in my neighborhood when I was a kid. I used to walk by it, and I thought, wow, that back window is so
back window was so cool.
Something different.
I bet today to replace that would not be cheap.
Well, yeah. Classic windows
custom.
in general.
Yeah, custom it would have to be.
Yep.
Other new arrival, the 1979 AMC Jeep CJ5, orange over tan and orange, body off restoration, rebuilt 360 cubic inch V8. This thing is killer looking.
It's a show truck.
It is. It's really amazing. And that orange really works well with it. Not
beautiful.
Listen, I bleed orange for the University of Tennessee, but not every orange is a good orange. Orange. That's right. Daddy says I say orange. I don't even say orange.
It's got the bird. It's got the eagle on it too. It's right. It's got the golden eagle hood.
The golden eagle.
Beautiful.
Yeah. So
beautiful truck.
And a killer stereo. So there you have it. And the bargain of it seems the bargain of the month, if you will, or the year or whatever, is the Z06 Corvette. The older, this is a 2007 we just got in. Machine silver metallic over ebony, 6,900 pampered miles.
Wow.
Barely broken in, 505 horsepower, 7-liter V8. Tremec TR6060 manual transmission and a Borla exhaust. First of all, it sounds cool. It's got 3 pedals. It's a Z06. It's got 500 plus horsepower.
Right.
And it's reasonable.
Yeah.
These things.
It's still the greatest bargain.
They're a really good bargain, especially one that's 5 or 6 or 10 years old. It's still a lot of performance. It's still, everything that, most of these exotics are, and then some. So,
absolutely. Yep.
Last but not least is the 1962 Ford Thunderbird Convertible, Viking blue over blue. I love this car.
You do?
The color is gorgeous.
We can write up a deal for you right now. You want to make an offer?
Take that salesman.
Oh, shoot. Right.
Take that
Sorry,
salesman.
producer, not that's right.
Yeah. Viking blue over blue, restoration receipts, 390 cubic inch 4-barrel V8, cruise-o-matic automatic. This thing, the blue color on this thing is just outstanding.
It's really a nice version. This is a Bullet Bird, obviously, and just a great example.
And there's not many, they were not loved for a long time, but they're gaining in popularity. Now, the 63 Sport Roadsters always were kind of cool because they had that fiberglass cover over the back seat. Fairing, and then with the head cut, whatever they're called. Fairing, yeah. Keep your head from messing
I had to look
up.
that up, a couple titimes because I forget.
You've written that, right? So they call that a fairing.
Right.
I thought it was a tonneau cover.
There's a tonneau cover, but if it's curved for the head, it becomes a fairing.
I think if it's fiberglass, it can be a tonneau cover.
Hard tonneau.
Or it can be a soft tonneau and made of fabric.
That's right.
The Classic Auto Mall Show with their host, Stewart Howden.